Hey everyone, this is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV giving you a closer look at the scratch-resistant removable full front windshield from Tusk. All right, today we're giving you a closer look at this removable full front windshield from Tusk for the Polaris General. Now for us, one of our favorite aftermarket accessories for any side-by-side is a front windshield. Now, if you're debating whether or not you think you would like one or you think it's worth the investment, well, let me just give you a couple reasons why we like them so much. So the first one is just protection and coverage from the elements. When you're driving around, whether you're in cooler temperatures, you want to block some of that wind, or maybe Mother Nature opens up, you get some rain, nothing's going to protect you better than a full front windshield. Now you couple that with a roof like we have here from Tusk, as well as the Tusk rear window, you can almost fully enclose the entire cab, so it just offers great coverage from the elements. The other feature that I love so much about it is when you're riding in a group and you have people out ahead of you and there's a lot of dust getting kicked up, I don't like to eat dust, so having a full front windshield on there, it's gonna block that dust, just make it more comfortable for you and your passengers. Now, a couple of features that I like about this windshield. So first off, installation removal is very simple. No drilling, no modification is required for install. You've got these Velcro clamps that go around the roll cage. You've got these fastening knobs up here on the top. So very simple to install. To remove it, honestly, just takes a few seconds. The other feature I really like about this is you have the scratch resistant hard coat on there. The reason I like that so much is, front windshields, they're gonna get dirty, they're gonna get dusty, so you're gonna be cleaning those off regularly. So having that hard coat on there, it's just gonna reduce the amount of scratching that you get to your windshield. It's gonna protect your investment, just keep it looking clear for a long period of time. Now, another feature that I like is you've got this weather gasket that goes all the way around the entire front windshield. That's gonna help reduce vibration, but also that's just gonna give it a little bit better seal. Again, help keep out Mother Nature. Now, keep in mind that with the front windshield, when you run a front windshield just by itself, a common issue that people run into is dust swirling in the cab. So some great advice to help combat that is when you get a full front windshield, combine that with a rear window. That's what we've got on this General. We've got the Tusk rear window on here. That helps reduce some of that negative pressure in the cab to prevent that dust from swirling. Or you could also run just a full setup like we have here and also go with the Tusk aluminum roof. You essentially almost fully enclose your cab. Again, great coverage from the elements. And that is it. That is the scratch resistant removable full front windshield from Tusk. Again, if you have any questions or comments, leave those below. We'll get your questions answered. And to pick yours up, it is very simple. Just head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Now remember, these are machine specific, so enter the make, the model, and the year of your machine when you're picking yours up. That will ensure that you get the proper fitment. And like I said, check out the other products that we have for the Polaris General. If you want to fully enclose your cab, you can do that, or just see all the other great accessories that we offer. I'm Chase here at Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.